want to break up a big money myth that I've seen around social media. To borrow against cash value, you have to qualify like a bank loan. And I get why people say that because we've all been trained that if you want access to your money, somebody has to approve you. Somebody has to run your credit. Somebody has to judge your income. Someone has to decide if you're good enough to borrow. But here's the truth in very simple terms. A policy loan is not based on your credit score. It's based on the availability of your cash value. There are no credit, there is no income verification. I want you to let that sink in. You don't have to prove yourself to anybody. All you have to do is have cash available. Here's the thing that people don't understand. A bank loan is based on the bank trusting you. A policy loan is based on the asset that you've already built. It's collateral-based access. And why is that important? Because when life happens, it does not send you a calendar invite. It hits on a Tuesday. It hits because the car broke down or the HVAC system went out or there's an emergency and you have to travel. Here's one: when the business cash flow starts to get weird, right? When there's a medical expense and you need to move quickly. That's when you need your cash, and you don't need anybody asking you any questions about what your FICO score is or your debt to income ratio for that matter. So here's what I need you to understand. We've used our cash value life insurance twice. We took $10,000 out, we paid that back. We took $20,000 out. Honestly, we haven't even paid that back yet. We're deciding when we want to do that. This is not a hack. This is a tool. It's a tool that gives you control. And here's the part that most people have never heard. You get the flexibility that you will never get with a traditional lender. You get to decide when you pay it back. You get to decide how you pay it back. That is flexibility. Because the truth is, most people aren't broke. They're just boxed in. They have money in places that they can't touch, or they have money that requires someone else's permission. And I'm just going to be honest, I'm not interested in building a financial life where I need permission to breathe. So here's my question to you. If you could build your own bank where access has nothing to do with your credit score, would you want to learn how to do it? Because that is what this is really about. Building a bank, building a system that gives you options when life is happening around you. So either way, don't let that myth stay stuck in your mind. You don't need permission to create options. What you need is a system, and I can show you how. Okay, bye.